Every year, millions face the silent threat of dengue.
I brought her in when the fever didn't stop. Every day felt like a battle.
When rainy season comes, I try to stay safe, but one bite changes everything.
Dengue has been threatening many lives in India, and it's used to be originally a totally urban phenomena. Now it's creeping into tier 2, tier 3 and the rural areas also.
It takes lives, shatters families, and overwhelms healthcare system.
And if we don't control it very fast, Indian health system is going to be overburdened with this. There are two aspects to dengue. One is prevention, the other is cure. People, society, and government. For people, the best thing to do is if everybody keeps his environment clean and free of mosquitoes, societies should act as watchdogs. And government must provision enough resources, must implement laws more strictly, and must ensure that there is enough hospital facility available in case a person is affected by dengue.
While prevention builds the first line of defense, there's one force working round the clock to intercept the crisis: the healthcare community.
In cases of dengue fever, the initial investigations that would be useful to do would be microbiology tests like NS1 antigen and IgM antibody. Subsequently, after few days, the hematology parameters would be useful.
The severity of dengue infection is usually monitored by serial platelet counts, hematocrit and WBC counts. The newer parameters provided by automated hematology analyzers such as mean platelet volume or MPV, which give information about larger, younger immature platelets, and IPF, immature platelet fraction, which also gives additional information regarding marrow recovery.
IPF or immature platelet fraction is a newer novel hematology parameter which is used for monitoring of thrombocytopenia, mainly in severe dengue cases, where when the IPF rises, it usually rises 2 to 3 days prior to the actual increase in platelet, which remarks the bone marrow activity platelet recovery. So IPF actually helps predict, so it becomes as a predictive value. So it helps stop unnecessary transfusions in the patients and also allays the fear psychology which is there in the patients as well as the clinicians.
Dengue is a storm that lasts from 7 days to maximum 2 weeks. If the patient goes through this period, so it's a very short period, but dramatic changes keep on occurring at the level of the pathology as well as the biochemistry labs. So we remain in close contact with our paramedics and our pathologists and our biochemist friends.
In a rural setup with lesser resources as compared to the metro cities, the newer technology, they're available in the lesser resources, then they can help early diagnosis of the patients and platelet recovery can be predicted early. If these analyzers are available in the rural setup, it would help a lot in patient decision making. Immature platelet fraction is now available in the newer hematology analyzers like 760, which is complementary with the routine CBC report, which can help in the lesser resources like the rural areas.
While severe dengue carries a mortality rate of up to 5%, timely diagnosis and clinical action can slash deaths by 80%. Every second counts. Accessible technology enables faster, more accurate decisions.
As a laboratory professional, I think we can make a big difference in treatment of patients and in decision making. We can help the clinicians and the community at large.
For India, the fight against dengue has been a journey of decades. In 2000, the cost was high, with the case fatality rate standing at a significant 0.2%. Every percentage point represented thousands of lives lost. Today's data tells a new story, a nation rising to meet the challenge. Today, despite soaring cases, the fatality rate stays below 0.1%, proof of national resolve and smarter tools. This victory comes from united action, government, community, healthcare, and public awareness, all powered by one critical advance: timely information. Accessible technology has transformed our response, predicting severe cases before they escalate and shifting care from reaction to prevention.
We need to use technology in a big way to diagnose and to inform the patient as well as to treat him. So it will continue to play a major role.